Hey, this is David Rich at houseparents.com. Today we're going to take a stab at removing a cast iron tub. We have access, we made access to all the connections back here. The drain pipe of the tub was just finger tight, a finger tight joint. So I've already taken that off. That nut there connects the main drain to the drain of the house. And this right here is, I already just disconnected, that was finger tight. These joints here were not so finger tight, so I had to break these. And basically, I'm just trying to get everything that's holding that tub in to come loose. Now, it's a cast iron tub, so they're super heavy. So we're probably just going to end up smashing it. So that's really not high tech, but at least you get to see what you got to get rid of here. And that's water from the shower tube that goes up from the tub connection. And I gotta get these guys loose. Yeah, I'll see if I can cut that first.
Here is the tub in question. Seen better days.
Alright, so I just cut the connection between the spout and this pipe here. I'm just trying to get this off. And I have lack of room to work, of course. Okay. So now this is broke by these union joints here. That's broke, and now that's gone. So now, let's see what we're looking at on the other side.
These unscrew, but I can't get the handles off.
Well, we'll just, I guess they're not going to be important. Here's the only caution I have is the drain part. So this whole area, be careful of, because it's got a connection. I don't want to do any damage to the drain. Yeah. And I think the P-trap's already cracked.
All right, so Caleb's going in. Goodbye, Mr. Tub. All right, good luck.
Thank you. Be loud.
All right. I just don't want it to fall with the effects. Get it?
Yeah.
All right, yay. Looks like you were victorious.
Yeah, barely.
The tub has seen better days. The main objective has been achieved, and now we get to haul all this away.
Alright, so that's the end of taking out the tub. It went pretty smoothly, everything's cleaned up. And now all that's left is our next project of getting rid of the rest of what's in this place. We're going to leave the 2x4 framing in place for the next tub. The P-trap is already in the floor, so that's good to go. We're going to replace all this hardware with PEX, and we'll be off to the races. Hope this helps in your DIYing bathtub removal. If you haven't already, give us a thumbs up, a like, a comment, anything. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time for another DIY renovation.